Hi guys, Angie Bell with My Fairy Treasures. Okay, you guys, I want to share some washi organization with you guys. And I'm not saying this is a new idea, okay? These are those Dollar Tree little drawers, and you glue them together, and you make, stack them together and glue them together. Okay, nothing new there, okay? A lot of people have been doing that. The only thing that I've seen, that I've just discovered for myself, and maybe some people are already using it for that, I was going to take these little drawers, and I'm going to show you how they look singularly. I'm going to put one out here. Here they are singularly, and I have washi tape in them. I was building them up like this for my makeup, and that's all I've seen people using these for, was for makeup. Well, it hit me, and I said, oh my gosh, I could be using this for my washi storage. And so for right now, I have enough where I go 1, 2, 3, 4 up and 3 across. And so right now I did 1, 2, 3, 4 stacked and 2 across, but I have 4 more. I have a whole nother row that I can attach to this. And I just thought this would make great washi storage. And that's what it looks like singularly down there on the lower end down there. And this covers all my washi, because my washi is not as huge as most people. Okay, I understand that. But you could build this up as big as you want. I've decided to not, okay, I glued them this way. Okay, so they're all glued together this way. So this is all stuck together this way. But I'm going to keep them separate like this. I'm not going to glue this one to this one. Because if I want, I can now it can be more portable. This sits to the left of me when I'm working on my planner or other things. But if I want to bring it over to me, I can just easily just pick this thing up and bring it over towards me. And so it still makes it portable, at the same time makes a nice big washi storage containers. So I'm loving this. On top of here, I just have, this is just for decor. These are those plastic diamondy rings they had at Dollar Tree. I love them. So these are going to sit on the top of my storage just for decor. So I'm going to put this one back over here, because I'm going to show you how I built them. Most people know, but I will show you guys how I'm going to build that, how I built these. The other thing I want to do is just, again, you guys see me, I do this a million times, where I take like a really cool mug from Dollar Tree and make it into a pencil holder, makeup brush holder, paintbrush holder, whatever. But look how cute the mug is. Is that so adorable, you guys? Look at that mug. It is so darn cute. It's what they have over in the Valentine's section, and it has the dream catcher there. And it says, you're dreamy with the hearts. I mean, that's just something for all year round. This would make great gifts. You guys, that washi storage would make a great gift. Who would not want to get washi storage already all glued and ready for them for their washi? Great idea. And being clear, I'll talk about being clear in a second. And then here I E6000 the glass candle holder onto the bottom. I want to talk about keeping it clear. The reason I could have taken like the diamond wrap or any of that kind of stuff and fancied up my storage, but I want to be able to see all the way around on my washi storage, so I can see what's in there. So I don't have to like even open up the drawers for the most part. I can just look up, down, and around and see what's in that drawer. So that's why I didn't decorate it any further. Okay, and then over on the other side here, these were those, like, I don't know what you call them, but you guys, we got them from Dollar Tree, these things, okay? And you put like a little tea light in there. So I guess it's a little candle holder, but look how cool it is. Okay, so that's what that is to the right. I took that, again, I put another glass candle holder on there, glued it on with the E6000, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that too. This is all very simple, but what it is just some, I think, some fun ideas. The washi organization is just, I think, a good idea. Another idea to use these drawers for your washi, not just for like cosmetics, because that's all I've seen it being used for, is the cosmetics. So that was the thing, is I just wanted to give you the idea of saying, hey, no, it's not just for cosmetic organization, it can be for your washi organization. And now it can organize a ton of stuff in your craft room. It could organize beads, it could organize buttons, it could organize sequins, it could, do you guys see what I'm saying? So definitely, if you haven't done it yet, bring this kind of organization into your craft room, not just your makeup room. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and switch camera angles, and I'll show you how I built all 3 of these different things, okay? So see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we're back. I reset the camera up so I can just show you how I made these very simple things. And like I said, everyone knows how to build this up and glue it. I just thought I'd do a sampling of it in case somebody hasn't seen it. And that's the other thing, guys. We should all stop assuming that everybody has seen everything, because a lot of times, a lot of people are like, okay, I've never seen that, so can you go ahead and do it? So, anyway, here we go. Let me move some of these other pieces. We're going to start with this one here. Make sure that the open end is here. I already have stuff in all of my bins. So, and this is ideas too. See, this is all like a bunch of my paper clips. Different colors, different shapes. And I'm putting my paper clips in this. Instead of washi on this bottom one. So, what I'm doing, I'm taking E6000, which I get at Walmart. For me, it's the best place to get it. Unless you want to use a coupon at Michael's or Joann's. But usually you want to use a coupon on something else besides your glue. So I get this there for like $3. It's a really good price. I think it's still cheaper there than it is at Michael's or Joann's with a coupon. So they just run out of it really quickly at Walmart. So buy a couple at a time. That's what I always find a problem with. Okay. So what I do is I put it right, I don't put it completely on the edge or it's going to seep over. I put it right kind of almost in the middle. You'll know what I'm talking about when you get some of these from Dollar Tree. And then let's just put this, and I want this one, we'll put this one next. Okay, so just put that right on top. Super simple. And what you do want to do is look and make sure it's all even. And the other thing is check, bring your finger along the sides and do check for some seepage. Just to make sure you don't have any seepage. I don't have any seepage. Okay. Also, what I do is I don't glue all the way around. I just glue the sides, and it holds everything together. It just, to me, it'll be a lot cleaner. It's less chances for any glue seepage everywhere. That's what I found from doing quite a few of these now. Other thing, these are not always easy to find at Dollar Tree. You'll go in one week, and they'll have 100 of them. You go in the next week, and they won't have a damn one of them. So, just like I always say about these glass candle holders, when you see them, even if you don't know what you're going to do with them, pick up 10 of them. Pick up 15 of them. If you're looking for organization, because, or you know you're going to, we always have things to organize. We're always buying crap. So you can always be building organizational things like this, because they run out so quickly. My Dollar Tree had these for like a couple of months. I had seen them forever when I didn't want them. And then as soon as I wanted them, I went and picked up, I think I picked up 15 of them. This is when I thought I was going to use it for makeup organization, and which I'm still going to. And that's all they had. And I bought all 15. I think there was 15 of them. And now they haven't had them for the last couple of months. They haven't had them back in there. And then I went over to my one of the other Dollar Trees I like to go to. When I think about it, they've never had them in there. So, and so I just need to go start searching other Dollar Trees. Now, I don't know if I should check online, because I wouldn't mind buying 30 or 40 of them. I need to go check on Dollar Tree online and see if they sell them there. In fact, I will check that today, because I know I'm going to want a bunch, because I want to build this up. I want to build this up at least, right now I have it 3 rows across and 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers up. And I'm going to want to build it bigger than that. So, I do have a little bit of seepage right now that I'm dealing with. So, for the seepage, just get yourself a little paper towel and just clean it right up. Okay. Okay. Okay, so, let me look in the camera here. You guys can see how I built that up, one at a time. And it's so easy to either build, I can glue another one right on top of here, or glue another one right on the bottom of here. You know, so I can build this up as high as I want, and then of course I can just keep making as many rows out as I want. So this is fabulous. I'm loving this. Okay, so I want to go ahead and put this to the side. I didn't discuss something at the beginning. I have a little surprise, little bonus, something I want to show you guys that I'm going to make, which is going to be this and this. But we'll do that in a second. All right, the next thing, let's go ahead and do the mug. Look how cute this mug is, you guys. Look at the Dreamcatcher. You're dreamy, all the pretty hearts. This would make great gifts, you guys. Birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, Valentine's gifts, especially for with the hearts on there, Valentine's gifts. Great for organization. So, and like I said, like this washi organization or whatever you want to call it, that'd be a great gift to give to somebody. Especially if one of your crafty friends. Oh my God, they'd be like, oh my God, I love it. Thank you so much. Because you've done the work of, for one, finding them, finding the little clear drawers, and gluing them all together for them. And maybe giving them the idea that you could store washi in there. Okay, that's it. So just put the E6000 on the bottom of the candle holder, and voila. Okay, make sure that it's centered, which I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to bring that over there and just, if you guys see my head, just, sorry. I'm just trying to make sure it's all centered in the middle. I actually usually do this on my freezer because, in my kitchen area, because I can go all the way around and look at it. But that looks good. Okay. 3 or 4 of these are really great in your craft room to store your paintbrushes, your pens, all of that kind of stuff. Giving a set of 3 or 4 of these would be great to a friend, especially a crafty friend, or anyone, because then they have like a set of 3 or 4 they can put somewhere and they can store stuff in. So the next one we're going to create is the candle holder. This also would make a beautiful Christmas gift, or Christmas. I have Christmas on the brain, you guys, because we just got done with Christmas. It'd make a great Christmas present, of course. It'd make a birthday gift, Valentine's gift, just a crafty friend gift. Also, great decor for the house. I think it'd make great fall decor. That's when I first saw these, was in the fall. And I thought, oh, they're pretty. And it didn't hit me. And then just recently, I picked some more. They brought some more into my store. And I went, oh my gosh, that on a glass candle holder would just be fabulous. That's the other thing, these glass candle holders, you guys, that I'm gluing this on. Like I said, if you find these glass candle holders, buy 15 or 20 of them. Because they go quickly, and they are not always there at all. So, pick up tons of these, pick up tons of the clear drawers, because they're 2 things that are not always there. Oh, I was just at Walmart the other day. These clear glass candle holders, they had these for $6 or $7 the other day at Walmart. When I was with my husband, I go, those are $7. I go, those are $7 here. Those are $1 at the Dollar Tree. And he's like, oh my God. I said, and actually, the ones at Dollar Tree are actually better made than the ones at Walmart. Check it out, you guys. Sometimes it's in the candle section. You'll be shocked. Okay, the last thing I wanted to do, and this is just an idea. When you're at, okay, always, like I said, pick up your glass candle holders. When you're at a thrift store, and you see a beautiful plate like this, you guys, this is the kind of stuff we all love, isn't it? Look at the bowl of ice cream. We all love the ice cream or the cupcakes or the donuts. I saw these, and I already gave one to my friend Olivia. Olivia girl, I think I did glue it on a glass candle holder for you, right? When I sent it to you last year, I think. I mean, it's like making your own little cake plate holders, your own little cake plates, and then you can put these in your craft room or your art room, and you can do anything with these. You could put a candle on here. You could put a bunch of washi tape on here. You could put these 2 rings on here. You know, you're just making your own little cake plates, but adorable ones, because look at the print on this plate. Isn't that adorable, you guys? Oh my God, I absolutely am in love with that. So I just wanted you to keep an eye out, and even at Dollar Tree, keep your eye out for cute plates, because they always have cute stuff there. That you can make your own cute cake plates by using a really pretty plate like this and a candle holder. So let's make it. I've been wanting to make this, and it's just been sitting separate just in my craft room forever. I thought, you know what, here's an opportunity, and just to give somebody another idea. And what a great gift. I did give this as a gift. I said to Olivia Hernandez. You guys go visit Olivia Hernandez's channel. She's one of my good friends on YouTube. Wonderful, 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 talented friend. She does a lot of stuff with laces and doilies and fabrics and lace books and altered bags, altered everything. She does beautiful stuff. So go visit my friend Olivia Hernandez. You guys have heard me talk about her before. I'm going to turn this over, you guys, because this is the best way to... See how I'm not even anywhere near the damn center? This is going to be the best way for me to figure out, make sure I'm in the center. Okay, there we go. So, to keep this clean, we will just wipe that glue right up. Okay, so now I know I'm in the center. And I'm going to do the same way with the other ones we just did. Just turn this over. Go right here, just make sure I'm in the center. Okay, I did a pretty good job. I was a little off on that, okay? And the same thing with this one. I'm going to turn that one over too. So turn your plate or your thing over. I don't know why I didn't do that originally, you guys. I'm actually just got over a little bit of a cold, quite a bit of a cold, so I'm a little not all there. But anyway, this is how I normally do it. I turn it over and then I place this in the center. I don't know why that just hit my brain just now, but anyway, it did. So that's going to be your best bet of how to do it. Make sure you're getting everything centered, okay? So you guys, that is it. Get yourself some, let me put this in the, see if we can get everything at the end here, at least into the thing. Make sure you go to Dollar Tree, pick up a bunch of these candle holders, a bunch of these right here. Pick up as many as you can. If not, go to dollartree.com. I'm going to go to there on there today and see if I can't pick up a bunch of candle holders and a bunch of these. These come separate, like I said, for $1 a piece. They're hard to find sometimes. Sometimes you go, your store will have a ton of them. And when they do, pick them up. Also, you might want to try dollartree.com for these little drawers. And make yourself some washi storage. And not just for washi in your craft room, you can do everything. Like I said, I have paper clips, that one. This one I have these little hearts from Dollar Tree. I put those in there. I mean, you could do all kinds of stuff, but it's, I think, a great idea for washi storage. Also, great gifts. All this can be made for gifts also. And the other two things here can be do for decor. So, that is it. I hope you guys like this little DIY today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. You give this video a thumbs up, that'd be great. Any comments or questions, leave them below. Come visit me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys next video. Bye!